In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or create an upload button to a Google form. This is a really handy feature if you want to collect files from users through your form. We'll walk through the process step by step, and you'll have this set up in just a few minutes. First, you need to start by navigating to Google Drive. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Apps button. This is typically located in the main navigation area and will open up a selection of different Google services. Next, you'll need to click on Forms. Doing this will take you to the section where you can create new forms or edit existing ones. For our purpose today, we're going to create a new form, so click on the option to create a blank form. This sets up a fresh slate for you to begin building your form. Once the blank form loads, you should see an untitled document. Name your form appropriately by clicking on the title area and typing in your chosen name. This will help keep your forms organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple ones. After naming your form, move on to adding your questions. Click into the question section, which allows you to type and customize the inquiries you'd like your respondents to answer. Now direct your attention to the Responses tab at the top of the form. This tab allows you to configure how you'll collect your responses. Here's where the magic happens. Click on File Upload. A pop-up message will appear, usually telling you that uploading files will store them in your Google Drive. Click Continue to confirm this setup. Once you have the file upload option added, you can refine it by clicking on Allow only specific file types. Here you can choose which file formats you'd like to accept. This is particularly useful if you only need certain types of files like PDFs or images. Now you have the chance to select the maximum number of files you'd like each respondent to upload. Specify this to keep the form manageable and to prevent any data overload. Similarly, you can set a maximum file size for the uploads. This will ensure that your storage space is not consumed by overly large files. When you're satisfied with the setup, it's time to publish your form. Click on the Publish button, which makes your form accessible to others. It's always a good idea to check your work, so finally click on Preview. This lets you see exactly what your respondents will experience when filling out your form, and there you have it. You've successfully added an upload button to your Google form. This simple feature can significantly enhance your data collection capabilities. Thank you for watching, and until next time.